Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new Likewise shifter. I already have a Likewise shifter on my car currently, but I just want to try a new one. So we're going to get to the unboxing. So inside we have a new shifter, a new adapter, and the H pattern sticker. So we're going to be putting that on today. So inside we have the new shifter right here, and then we also have a new Likewise adapter, but this one's the 10mm instead of the 12 that I have on now, which didn't fit the shaft. And we have the sticker for the shift pattern. So they also gave me a cool sticker, so shout out to Likewise for hooking it up. Alright, so to start it off, we will look at the new shifter. Where'd my knife go? Alright, so don't cut towards yourself, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So here's my new shifter. It's the stainless steel NAD Pro. So it is fairly heavy. It's I believe it's a little over a pound, and I got it in the raw finish instead of the black. Now, because I already have a Likewise shifter on, I will show you how to take it off. So with this Likewise retaining clip for the boot, you just press down and it just has a little ring that snaps in. So normally you would unscrew this, but because I have basically rigged it up so it won't come off, I'm just gonna pull it off. So here's the 12mm adapter in there with a little bit of the rubber boots and or rubber nipples they call them. So now we're gonna try to put on the new Likewise adapter. And it does come with an Allen key, which is fairly convenient. So it comes with its own Allen key. So we're just going to loosen this up a little bit. And there's 4 little cap head screws. You just have to loosen up 2 on each side. It's a very small Allen key. Be careful not to strip these bolts because they are so small. The old one I did strip one of the bolts. So now this end just goes over the shaft, and there's still quite a bit of play, so I may have to put another rubber piece on it. So basically what you're gonna do is just tighten them up a little bit and see how much you have to. So because there's so much play, I'm gonna go grab a rubber nipple and I will be right back and I'll show you how I do it. So we got the screw protector or rubber nipple, whatever you want to call it. So basically you just put that over the shift shaft, and then you need the adapter. Then the adapter just goes over that and it tightens onto that. So gotta loosen these back up again. With slight force, you just gotta push it on there. I'll come back to you when it's on there. So I got it all the way down in there. Now you're just gonna wanna slowly snug up each of these screws, the cap screws. They don't need to be super tight, just so it doesn't move. Okay, now all of them are snug up. Now you're going to want to take this nice new likewise shift knob and you're just going to want to screw it on. And when you screw it on, you want to make sure that the likewise goes forward. So if you're off by a little bit, you just got to start the threads at a different point until it ends up the right way. So, I gotta think about this one now. It's landing like this. Start here. There. So, so now that we got the shift knob on, all we gotta do is just pop the boot retaining clip back up and you're done with your shifter. So now we're gonna move on. Grab it real quick. So this is the shift pattern sticker. Just because the stock shifter did have the shift pattern, and likewise shifters do not come with the shift pattern. So for these right here, it comes with some 3M tape on the back and you just have to put it wherever you want. So I'm going to put mine right under my parking brake just because it won't get in the way, and I think it's a good place to put it. Like I said, it won't get in the way, and it's kind of what you would look at if you wanted to see the pattern. So they give you an alcohol wipe just to wipe down the area, make sure that it's clean. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we're just gonna pop the sticker on, and then we'll be done. So I'm just gonna wipe this area off a little bit. And you can see it was a little dirty, so now that we did that. And now you're just gonna remove the backing on the tape. And line it up. So I'm gonna put mine, I'm gonna make sure it is straight in line with the plastic. I'm just gonna press down. So now that's done. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and a comment, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. So thanks, guys. Have a good day.